Yeah. Nice start. Got a little river down there. It's about 35 degrees on the first week of August. Got some nice crystal on the bridge here. That's a good day for a hike. That's for sure. Here we go. Just a short. What's that?
What are the tough mountains?
I don't know. They're all pretty hard. This one starts out pretty easy. Nice trail. Pretty well marked, but it's like still the sun isn't even up, so it's probably like 5:20 maybe. And there are tons of people ahead of us. It is packed. So, but it is a Saturday, first week of August. But it's about 5:45. I'm about 3/4 of a mile in. It's still a pretty good trail, but a little slick and wet from, I guess, the rain yesterday. But views are already starting out. Pretty incredible. But like everything says, every review you'll find, it is packed. Well, it's about 5:50. You can see the sun is starting to peek up over the mountain. We're in about a mile and a quarter in. A nice little break. It's it's actually pretty level, but you can see we got a lot of elevation to climb. But yet another reason that Colorado's amazing. It's just beautiful up here, and we haven't even gotten to the real sights. Again, there's my brother Kev way up there with the red backpack. It's getting a little steeper.
Let me know when you need to stop the water.
A little rockier. Yeah, stop now. I've got my camelback. I think we're about to see the sun peek up over those mountains back there. So far, pretty nice hike. Pretty easy, not too rocky. Nice decent incline. Rock pile, first one of them I guess. Pretty easy, incline here, but really rocky, but stable. Wildlife, little mini marmot or whatever the hell that thing is. Rodents. If we were a little higher, we'd see the sun up. Well, we're about 12,400 feet, 1.9 miles in. A lot of good people on the trail today. This is a nice one, but I think we're starting to get into the steep part of it. Not sure if you can see it, but I got some people doing what looks like a mountaineering route. We got the sun coming up on the top of the mountain. It's pretty beautiful. It's about 6:20, 2.25 miles in. Doing real good. Well, we're about an hour and 20 minutes in, 2.75 miles. We've gotten a pretty steep part, pretty rocky. We've got the sun in our backs. K-Dog's up there. 3.2 miles in, 7 a.m. About a hour and 40 into the hike. Getting pretty close to the decision point where we get to go left or right. It's been pretty okay. This last half mile's been pretty steep. Rocky, but not too rocky. But man, look at these views. I'm sure you can't see it on the GoPro, but very tip of that one, I think that might be Torreys. I can see a dude in an orange jacket. Enjoying the moment. We're almost there. So, we're on our way up. I think the Torreys at the fork, we took a right. You can kind of see it down there. Less traveled. Seems like it's a little bit harder on the way up. You can see over here to the left, which I think is to Grace, that most of the traffic went that way. So, kind of nice, a little more solidarity. On the right, but kind of hard, as you can see. The rocks are pretty wicked and it's pretty steep. We found the trail again. I don't know how we got off the trail on the most popular one, but we did. We ended up on something quite a bit harder than what we were expecting, but it's quite nice. We should be to this ridge here in a minute, and then we go pretty well straight up to that top. 2 hours in, 3.6 miles in. This last little one was slow because we were off the trail, but still pretty sweet, as you can say. Third way up to our mountain, and we're gonna go against the grain, come back, take the what we think is the easier route down. 3.86 miles, almost 15 minutes. We can see our first peak. It's a little windy, a little chilly. Just about to the peak of Torreys. Head down, back up to Torreys, reverse head down. Pretty amazing. Top of Torreys. It's just unbelievable. There's Grace. On that one next.
Just hold that up.
You can see so much. It's just perfect. We're down, back in the ridge, whatever they call the saddle. Torreys done. We're gonna head up to the top of Grace. It is windy. We were up top for about 10 minutes. It was cold up there. At the top of Grace, we'll have our celebratory Coca-Cola. Maybe enjoy a little sandwich. We'll hustle down. Let's go. The views are still amazing. Sun's up. Temperatures are pretty good. It's awesome. Almost to the top. Grace. I'm thinking that even though we thought it might have been a mistake to do Torreys first, it wasn't. It was real nice coming down, and I feel like going up the back side of Grace was actually a lot easier than going up the front side of Torreys. So maybe that's a tip. I don't know, but that's what we're feeling. We're feeling fantastic. Yeah. Yeah, see, he said it sucked too. So we're in alignment. So we get to go down the hard part. It's pretty windy, but check out these views. Look at that lake. Yeah. All right, on to the top. Top of Grays. We're on Torreys. Windy, cold again. Place down trail, makes sense. Look at all these people coming up. It's crazy up here. We can find a geomarker since we couldn't find one on the top of Torreys. Coming down the backside of Grace. We decided not to go down the front of the switchback because I feel like this might be easier to just kind of cut through the middle again. So, pretty exciting. Back to the saddle. Now we're going to look for our exit point. We're going to go back down the way we came. Pretty swollen this time around. We're at 7 miles. It's 9:30. We've been at it for about 4 hours, 15 minutes. We did take a probably 20-minute break at the top of Grace. 10 at Torreys. Alright, we're coming out. We just passed the fork. It either takes you to the Grays or the Torreys. It is amazing. I don't know if you can see it, but there are a ton of people up there. All along the ridge. All the way up to the top. It's amazing. Clouds are starting to roll in. Half moon still visible. We're about 6.2 miles in, 4.5 hours. I'd say we'll be down probably in the next 45 minutes to an hour. Alright. Almost off the side of the mountain and back to the trail. So beautiful. Still lots of haze from the fires. Look at the ruggedness of that mountain. Definitely recommend. Do Grays first. Or no, do Torreys first. Then Grays. And then come back down the backside of Grays and cut through the middle. Don't do those switchbacks. Back. Pretty close to the beginning. About 7 miles in. 5 hours. It's been good. Still some really amazing views. 10:20. Almost out. Oh, that's what those stone mountains are. They mark the trail. Huh. It's pretty awesome that we were on top of the Continental Divide. Still can see a ton of people going up and a ton of people on the top. It's amazing. And the moon. Well, we're on the way out. 8.6 miles, 5 hours, 35 minutes. Torreys is way over there. Grays is over there. It's a great hike. But we're almost out, almost back to the tree line. It's always amazing how long it is to get out. Back to the tree line. Almost on our way out. You can hear the creek. We're pretty much back at the trailhead. Nice little creek. Nice just to hang out. Back at the bridge at 11:10. 9.15 miles. About 5 hours 50 minutes of hiking. It's a pretty good day. Hear that creek. See all these mountains. It's amazing. Some clouds rolling in. Hopefully not rain clouds. I'd say all in, this was a great hike. Glad we got it in.